Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Another TFSA Wealthsimple trade portfolio update. I missed one on the weekend. We actually had a decent week going into the markets, going into the weekend, finishing up Friday. Everything was up. Monday today, taking a bit of a retrace. It's okay. We actually had a decent week on the market, so happy with that. We'll jump in and see how we're doing today. The market is open, but as you'll see, the portfolio is actually holding up pretty good. And we are now, I won't spoil it, I guess I am a little bit, but we are now actually about even on the TFSA portfolio, which is pretty awesome to see. So everything is kind of holding up quite well. We're almost on that 1 year anniversary. April 1st is the 1 year anniversary. Let's just jump right into the portfolio. All right, here we are in the TFSA Wealthsimple trade portfolio. We are using the app as always. We like the app. As you can see, we've had a decent month, up 3.58% on the month. But let's just dive down. Market is open today. As you can see, we're down a little bit today, 0.55%. These numbers are going to change because the market is open. BEP.UN, we still have the same amount of shares of that, 10 shares. We are up though 7.82% on those 10 shares, down a little bit today, but quite happy with that one. Again, regular dividends going to be coming through. Pretty happy. BTC, this is the Bitcoin, the purpose of Bitcoin yield ETF. We haven't received any dividends from this. I'm interested to see what dividends are going to come in from this. There can be some fluctuation on that. There have been a few questions, people asking how much you make on that. We'll see. I will definitely do a update video once I do receive the dividends from this one, but down a little bit today, 2%. As you can see, if you're following Bitcoin or the cryptocurrency market, down a little bit today. We had a good, seems to do well on the weekends, and then on like Sunday night or Monday back down, but we are still up though, good at 14.82%, which is nice on that one. Haven't purchased any more of that. CMC down 10% today. They had some news out today. If you're following this company, go check out their news release. Obviously still in the like R&D, basically trying to get this system to work. It is working, but there's still obviously kinks to work out. If you aren't interested in that company, check them out, check out their news release. I think long-term, hopefully, if everything works, this can be a good stock to have, but again, it's risky to see what's going to happen. ETC, this is the Evolve Cryptocurrencies ETF. This one is Bitcoin and Ethereum based. It's a mix between them both, and we are down today 2.27%, unfortunately down 28.33%, but not too worried about that. Again, long-term, I say it over and over again, 10 years out, we're not gonna be worried about that one. Greenlane Renewables, this is down a little bit, just popped up $1.07, down a little bit today, 2.73%. We had a decent week last week on that one. It was up to about $1.10, I think it closed on Friday, so we're still under our average price, down 17%, but I think again, long-term Greenlane Renewables is a good long-term energy play for my portfolio. You might want to check that out too. REI.UN, let's just refresh, 25.73 today, down just 0.54%, but we were up 22.88%, which is pretty awesome for RioCan. Pretty happy with this one. We have 25 shares. I have to start purchasing more of these ones to keep getting the regular dividends to build it up. That's kind of my focus, I think, this year is to put some more into some of these, the REITs, especially RioCan, and we'll get down to it, the Slate office REIT. RNW up just a bit today, 0.55. I like hitting the update on the refresh. We're still down though. We have 38 shares of that, 5.39%. Not too worried. Those dividends come in. I do like those. And Solar Alliance Energy flat today, 10 cents. That one's really not doing anything, but that's okay. We'll just leave that at that. Slate Office REIT. This one has actually been doing quite good, up to 5.20. So we're into the green on this one, which is nice finally. Although we don't see a ton of fluctuation with these ETFs, or sorry, yeah, the Slate Office REIT, but it's not ETF, but it's the REIT, 1.51% up on our 91 shares. And they just announced in the news their regular dividends coming through. Nothing's changed on that. I think it's 3.3 cents per or something like that. But nice consistent income coming through to there, so that's great to see. And it's nice to see we're up to $5.20. Telus or AT&T, depending how you want to look at on the logo, up 0.19% today, 32.35 currently. 17 shares, up 14.76%, which is awesome. I've been really happy with Telus, and I say it every time, it's a channel favorite. Lots of people own Telus that are watching this channel, so it's doing good for everybody that does own that stock. VDY, this is the Canadian High Dividend Yield Index ETF. That's always a mouthful to say. Up 0.80% today. and we have 46 shares still. This one you can actually purchase fractional shares, and I haven't done any fractional shares, but I'm kind of debating because I get those dividends that come through and they're kind of like not enough amount to buy anything substantial. But we are good. That's good, up 18.16% on VDY. I like that one. That's also another channel favorite. Now they do have another one. I left a comment. If you check out my last video, go in the comment sections, because someone was asking some questions of VDY versus another one of the Vanguard Canadian basically holdings of stocks, and comparing the two. So I gave some insights of mine. Maybe check that out. Go back to that other video if you have some insights on VDY, especially to help the comment out, would be really appreciated. VFV, this is the last one. Vanguard S&P 500 Index ETF, still trading under $100, is down a touch today. 27 shares, but we're a return 0.75, so we're basically flat on that, up $20, which is nice. It's portfolio's been going for about a year, and we are, as you'll see here, we are essentially flat. Let's just refresh it as we get into here. Today down a little bit, 0.56%. That's okay, but we did have a decent week last week, as you can see, up 1.77%. The market had a pretty decent week last week if you are checking your portfolio. So on the week, past month, up 3.59%, which is awesome. $334.88. 3 months, we are up 1.30%. And 1 year. Now we're not quite at our 1 year. April is the 1 year anniversary. April 1st, we are down 0.20%, so $19.10, which is awesome because our all-time, we're not quite a year, but if you look into that, if you've been following along, we are, I guess it's okay to not lose money, I guess, in the year. Pretty happy with that. So we've been going for almost a year. It'll be a year, April 1st. So far, only down 0.20%. So I think if we have a couple more decent days on the market, some of those cryptocurrencies stock pickup, I think we'll be in the green for the 1 year anniversary, which is pretty awesome to see. All right, so that's the update. Let me know how your portfolio is doing, obviously in the comments below. If you aren't subscribed, I always like to say subscribing is free. It'd be great to have you follow along. We're trying to grow the portfolio up to $100,000. We're almost at 10,000, so that's pretty awesome. We are, you know, getting there, 10% of the way, and it would be great to have you follow along. So if you've made it this far, don't forget, hit the subscribe button, hit that like button if you haven't already. It definitely helps out the channel. One last thing, we are just shy of 800 subscribers. The goal was to get to 1,000 subscribers within the year. I don't think we're going to make that, but if you haven't subscribed, I'll say it one more time, hit that subscribe button. That's all, everybody. We'll see you all in the next video.